Today in this video we'll quickly learn about vector multiplication. So basically I have a vector which is 2, 3, and then I multiply it by any scalar number, which is just a number 1, or maybe I could multiply it by 1 by 3, then that's vector multiplication. So today we'll see what happens when we multiply the vector 2 by 2. Very funny, right? So if I multiply 2 by 2, it turns into 4. It's not accurate. Let me draw it again. But what happens is that 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is vector 4. This is what happens when you multiply 2 by 2. But what happens basically is if you multiply a vector, this is a vector, right, by a scalar, then the result is that you multiply it both through the vertical and the horizontal component by the same number. So this will be the result. So if you were to multiply 3, 1 by 1, 3, now what happens? Then the answer would be 1 and then 1 by 3. This is just pure multiplication. But what would be the difference in terms of magnitude? I'll also show you guys that. So let's say this is our grid. Firstly, we had 3, 1. Let's represent with the red color. 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, right? This is the vector 3, 1. If we multiply it by 1/3, then the vector will turn into 1 by 3. So it will look very different from this. Let's remove the vector before and then draw the new vector. So what will 1 by 3 look like? It will look like this. Not exactly accurate, but from before it's shortened, right? So the magnitude is lessened. So this is vector multiplication.